Hello guys, today I will be discussing about this particular Python program which says that we need to write a program in order to remove any uppercase alphabets or digits from a given string. By the term given string, I mean that the string should be entered by the user while we are executing the particular program from the keyboard. Okay. So for that first I am creating an input variable where I will be storing the input string whatever the user will be giving us. So with the help of this inbuilt library function which we know as input, and over here I will be writing one message which states that enter any string over here. Okay, enter any string. So whatever string the user will be entering, it will be just saved inside that input string variable. Now after that there are two approaches which we can use in order to solve these kinds of problems. First, we can create one empty output string. By empty I mean that nothing is in it just for the time being. So I've just mentioned one single quotation marks without anything inside it. Okay, so now I will be traversing each character of the input string one character at a time in each iteration, and I will be checking whether the ASCII value of that character comes inside the ASCII range of these uppercase alphabets or digits. Now if that is, then I will simply ignore that particular character and move on with the next iteration to take up or to access the next character of the input string. And if that is not the case, then I will simply append or join that character to the output string itself. So now with the help of this for keyword, I have created one for statement, and here I will be taking one loop variable which in this case is character. Then I will be using the in operator, that means from which string I need to just access the characters one by one in each iteration, and the string has been stored in input underscore string variable. Okay, so now I will be just checking that whether the ASCII value of this particular character is falling inside the range of these uppercase alphabets or digits or not. Now in order to find out the ASCII value, we have an inbuilt library function whose name is ORD, and over here if I pass character as its parameter or argument, then it will be returning us the ASCII value of that particular character. So I will just check that if this ASCII value, okay, or it will be better if I just store it inside a variable like ASCII, and over here I will be just calling the function ORD of character. Then the ASCII value of this particular character will be stored inside this ASCII variable. Now it will be easier for me to check that whether this ASCII is greater than equals to 65. That means if ASCII is greater than equals to 65 and ASCII is less than equals to 97. I mean, why 97? Because sorry, not 97, 90. Why? Because 65 is the ASCII value of uppercase alphabet A, and 90 is the ASCII value of the uppercase alphabet Z. Now if this is the case, then I will simply ignore this particular character and I will continue with the next iteration. Okay, I mean, this if statement will handle all the uppercase alphabets. That means it will just ignore all of them and it will move on with the next iteration to pick up the next character of the input string. Now again I will be checking for the digits also. So for digits I will be just checking that if ASCII, okay, is greater than equals to 48 and ASCII is less than equals to 57. 48 is the ASCII value of the digit 0 and 57 is the ASCII value of the digit 9. So now if this is the case, then also I will just move on with the next iteration without taking up the character. And if these two conditions comes out to be false, that means for any other character which is not uppercase or uppercase alphabet or digit, then I will simply add that character to the output string with the help of the compound assignment statement, which is plus equals to. So output string will be plus equals to which one? Character. Okay, so all of my logic has been done. So now only one single step is remaining, which is to display the output string whatever the program will be giving me in return. So I will just write a simple message, output string will be equals to, now within second curly braces, or I mean second bracket, I will just write the name of the variable where the output string will be stored. Now if I execute this particular program, Now you may see that over here it is asking me for the input string. Now I will be giving my email ID over here just to check whether my program is functioning correctly or not. Now if I press enter, so now just see, as the output string the first character which was in uppercase, that means S, it has been removed, and also the digit 6 has been removed which was present just before the @ character in the input string. Okay. So hence this was a very simple approach where we can remove any uppercase alphabets or digits from an input string with the help of a for loop and one empty output string. Okay, I hope that you have understood this type of programs and its solutions. Now I will be showing you another approach which is very much easier and simpler than this one, but for that we need to import inbuilt library package whose name is RE by writing the import keyword, and RE stands for regular expression. Okay. Now with the help of this, suppose I am just copy and pasting all these things over there, because this statement will be required for in that approach also. I mean, the input string should be taken from the user, so I am writing it like this. Okay. And now I will be modifying the output string, or I can write like this directly, that output string will be equals to, the name of the package is RE, regular expression. So RE dot sub, sub means to substitute any particular string pattern with some other string pattern. Okay. So over here what I am trying to substitute, I am trying to substitute digits and alphabets. So alphabets, that too uppercase characters. So I will write inside third bracket capital A to capital Z. This means this is the range of the characters which it will be substituting, and also inside this square brackets only I will be mentioning 0 to 9 also, because these are the digits, okay, which it should be substituting if it occurs in the input string. And now by writing plus sign, I am just telling the compiler that more than one alphabet, one uppercase alphabets or more than one digit may appear in the input string, and if it appears, then I need to substitute it. Substitute it with what? I need to substitute it with empty string. Why? Because eventually I want to remove all the uppercase characters as well as the digits from the input string. So I am just substituting all those patterns whichever will be occurring in the input string with an empty string. That means nothing will be inside it. Okay. And then on which sentence it should work? On input string. Whatever string has been inserted or stored inside the input string variable, on that string and from that string whatever substring matches this particular pattern, okay, of more than one uppercase alphabets or digits, it will be just substituted to an empty string with the help of the regular expression package. So now if I just display the output string like this with formatted print statement, so I like this only, whatever I have done previously. So over here inside the second bracket I will just write the name of the variable where the output string has been stored. So now if I just execute this, so see, I am entering the same input string which I have done previously, okay, that is my email ID, and then if I press enter, so now also see, the first starting capital letter S has been removed, as well as the digit 6 just before the @ character has also been removed. So I hope that you have liked this class of mine where I have tried to explain this particular program, and I have done it using two approaches. The first one is by following the normal approach or the general approach, and the second one is with the help of a inbuilt library package whose name is regular expression. Thank you, and if you like this like this video, then please like and share my channel as much as possible. Thank you.